The science behind stomach growling.
This stomach growling, also called borborygmi, is a familiar rumble that comes from your abdomen. Ever wondered what actually causes those sounds? Let's explore the fascinating science behind this common phenomenon and find out why it happens.
What's happening inside? Movement of digestive muscles.
The main cause of stomach growling is peristalsis, the rhythmic contractions of your stomach and intestines. These movements push food, liquid, and gas through your digestive system, which produces the recognizable growls and gurgles you sometimes hear.
Why is it louder when you're hungry?
When your stomach is empty, there's less to muffle the sound of those digestive movements. Plus, hormones signal your brain to stimulate more activity in the stomach and intestines as a way to prepare for food. This makes the growling much louder right before you eat.
Is stomach growling always about hunger?
The process of processing nutrient particles inside your digestive system works to process and move anything inside it, even when you're full. Gas and fluid moving through your intestines can create similar rumbling noises throughout the day.
When should you be concerned?
In most cases, stomach growling is completely normal and harmless. However, if it's accompanied by pain, bloating, or other digestive symptoms, it might signal a condition like indigestion or irritable bowel syndrome. If you notice unusual patterns, consider consulting a healthcare professional.